Good morning, students. This is our next period. In last period, we learned the poem Be the Best, and in this poem, we learn about, or our poet told us that everything and everybody in the world is unique, and their work also unique. Means poet gives the examples of nature. From that he told us that smaller things also gives the happiness to the people, or smaller things draws attention and gives the happiness to the people. Or he gave many examples that for example, musky and the bass fish, and the next bush and the pine tree also. Or he gives the example of scrub, he gives the example of sun and star. Okay, means all these from examples we find out that means he gives the attention or important to the small things. Means whatever you do in your life, you do your best, no matter your work is small or big. In our life also, for example, in our society, imagine our life without our small workers. Means for example, cobbler, painter, okay, road cleaners, peons, farmers, then milkmen. Means many people are doing their small works, but we don't imagine our life without these society's small peoples. Means their work also important compared to the doctor, engineer, businessman, okay, teacher, like that. Means these peoples also important in our life. So whatever you do, your best. So poet told us also that, or he gives the many examples from the nature. So this is our summary of our poem Be the Best. Next part of the poem is that English workshop. Today we are going to learn this. Page number 4. Please open your book, page number 4, students. In this first question is there for you. Read the words, names given below. Put the big sized, bigger ones in the big circle and the smaller ones in the small circle. Means there are two circles, one is smaller and one is bigger. So you have put these words by sized. Okay, means here some words are. First is musky, then tree, pine, lake, bass, bush, highway, scrub, reel, sun, star, trail. These are the words. Now we have to put these words by their size in big circle and small circle. Okay. First we take a big circle. Okay. In big circle, which words came? Musky. Musky is a big, so musky is came. Then tree, pine, lake and highway, and the last is sun. Means these are the big things. And small things which are bass, bush, scrub, reel, star and trail. These are the small things. Means these words we learn in our poem. Okay. Next question is there. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Okay. Do you know the rhyming words, or how we find the rhyming words? From our poems. Okay. Or from our stanza. First we have a hill, a reel. Okay. Then we take bee and tree, grass and bass, and make and lake. Means like this many words are in this poem. Next question is there. Complete the following with appropriate words, phrases from the poem. Means first is one done for you. Okay, first is there. If you can't be a pine, be a scrub. Okay, now second we have to take. If you can't be a tree, dash. Means if you can't be a tree, then be a bush. Very good. If you are a muskie, be a bass. If you can't be a captain, then you can be in a crew. If you can't be highway, be a trail. Okay. Next, if you can't be the sun, be a star. Okay. Next question is there, true or false? Write whether the following are true or false. First is there, all must be the captains of the teams. No, this is impossible. Means all must be the captains. Then what happen? Confusion is there. Means all captains on the ship. So this is wrong. Means false. A bit of grass can make the highway happier. Yes, true. Means a bit of small grass also makes people happy. We win or fail depending upon size or position. No, this is false. Means we fail, our don't size, we win or fail depending upon size or position. No, we don't fail because our size or position. Whatever our efforts, that is most important thing. How we give the efforts to that work, that decides the win or fail. A scrub is found at the top of the hill. No, scrub. False. If your work is not important, don't do it. False. Means every work is important in our life. So we don't compare that this work is important and this work is not important. Whatever job you have, do your best. True. This is true. Means whatever you do in your life, do your best. Now we have taken next part of the poem. So write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. Okay, this is our appreciation of the poem. In this we have to write in short about the poem, or we have short description about our poem. The title of the poem is Be the Best. Means this is the title of the poem, Be the Best. And the poem is written by Douglas Moller. And next is the poem has 4 stanza and each stanza has 4 lines. Okay. Next question is there. The lines that rhyme in each stanza are, means the lines that rhyme in each stanzas are first, second and third and fourth. Okay. First and second, third and fourth. Like this. And next is the poet compares big things with small things. Okay. This is our central idea of the poem. Means poet compares big things to the small things. And next is Dadash is a repeated expression in the poem. Which repeated word is if you can't be. If you can't be is a repeated expression in the poem. Okay. And next, the line I shall always remember is the line I shall always remember is be the best the best whatever you are. Whatever you are. So this is our appreciation of the poem, and we finish our first poem Be the Best. I hope you liked this poem. Thank you.